I bought and tested these top portable electronic drum sets for kids so you don't have to waste your money. Whether you're looking for something fun for your child or an engaging tool to spark their musical creativity, I've got you covered with real insights into each product. Product number 1, VTech Kitty Star Drum Pad. The VTech Kitty Star Drum Pad is an exciting gateway into the world of music for kids aged 5 and up. When I first unpacked it, I was hit by its colorful design and sturdy build, perfect for little hands. We dove right in, and it was a sheer delight to see my child's eyes light up with the 20 different drum styles available, from rock to jazz and even marching band sounds. Each sound felt distinct, and the quality was surprisingly good for such a compact device. What struck me the most was the interactive features. With over 30 songs to play along with, my child could either tap away on the drum pad or record their own mini performances. The ability to connect it to our favorite songs via Bluetooth was a game changer. It meant we could jam along to popular music, making each practice session feel like a fun concert rather than a chore. Plus, the built-in speaker was loud enough to fill our living room, but there's also a headphone jack for quiet practice, which I appreciated as a parent. However, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the variety of sounds and the record function really encourage creativity. The games and coach mode add an educational aspect, helping children learn rhythm and timing while having fun. However, the device requires 4 AA batteries, which are included for demo purposes but will need to be replaced regularly. Additionally, while the overall construction is solid, it's not as durable as some higher-end models, so rough handling could lead to wear and tear. Ultimately, the VTech Kitty Star Drum Pad is a fantastic choice for young drummers. It's not just a drum set, it's an interactive learning tool that can nurture your child's musical talents. If you want to inspire creativity and provide a fun outlet for your child's energy, I highly recommend this drum pad. It's a great first step into the world of music that can lead to years of enjoyment. Product number 2, AOD SK Electric Drum Set. The AOD SK Electric Drum Set is a complete package that caters to all budding drummers. When I set it up in my living room, I was impressed with the sturdy metal frame and the realistic feel of the drum pods. The moment my child sat down, they were greeted with an array of 150 different sounds and 15 unique drum kits to explore. It felt like opening a treasure chest of sonic possibilities. One of the standout features is the authenticity of the sound samples. Each strike on the silicone pads delivers a rich, realistic sound that closely mimics traditional acoustic drums. I watched my child's confidence grow as they experimented with different styles, from rock to funk, and even attempted some jazz beats. The 10 demo songs provided a fantastic backdrop for practice, and the built-in metronome helped them work on their timing, a critical skill for any musician. In terms of portability, this drum set shines. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, which is perfect for families on the go. We even took it outside for a mini jam session with friends, and it was a hit. However, the set does come with a few drawbacks. At nearly 20 pounds, it's heavier than some other options, making it less ideal for very young kids to move around on their own. Additionally, while the sound quality is excellent, the built-in speakers may lack the power for larger gatherings. I found that connecting it to an external speaker system really enhanced the overall experience. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun and education, the AOD SK Electric Drum Set is a fantastic investment. It's built for beginners but offers enough depth for more experienced players, making it a versatile option. This drum set could ignite a lifelong passion for music in your child, and that's something worth investing in. Product number 3, Verktop Roll-Up Drum Pad. The Verktop Roll-Up Drum Pad is a fantastic entry-level drum set that's perfect for kids who are just starting their musical journey. When I first pulled it out, I was amazed at how easy it was to set up and use. The colorful design immediately drew my child in, and the portability of the roll-up feature meant we could take it anywhere, playdates, picnics, you name it. This drum pad features upgraded stereo speakers that provide impressive sound quality, making it easy for kids to hear their creations. The volume can be adjusted to suit different environments, which is a thoughtful touch. It has 7 pads that mimic a real drum set, and the ability to exchange the snare and hi-hat positions allows for a customizable playing experience that caters to individual preferences. My child loved experimenting with the different sounds and found joy in creating their own little beats. However, while this drum pad is packed with features, it does come with a few limitations. The sensitivity of the pads can sometimes be hit or miss, especially with lighter tops. This might frustrate some kids who are still developing their rhythm. Additionally, the rechargeable battery, while convenient, requires a 5-volt adapter that's not included, which can be an inconvenience. Despite these minor issues, the joy it brought my child was undeniable. In conclusion, the Verk Top roll-up drum pad is an excellent gift for young musicians. It's affordable, portable, and encourages creativity. If you're looking for something that can introduce your child to the world of drumming without overwhelming them with complexity, this is a solid choice. The smiles and excitement it brings on a family outing make it worth every penny. Product number 4. Espoet 9 Pads Electronic Drum Set. The Espoet 9 Pads electronic drum set is an affordable yet impressive option for kids who want to dive into drumming. When I unboxed it, I was struck by how lightweight and portable it was. The design is sleek, making it easy for my child to set up and start playing right away. This set features 9 pads, which include every essential drum type, and it even has a recording function that let my child capture their beats, which is an exciting feature for budding musicians. The sound quality is quite good for the price point. The built-in stereo speakers delivered a satisfying bass response, encouraging my child to experiment with rhythm and style. The 10 adjustable volume levels meant we could practice quietly or turn it up for a mini concert in the living room. The ability to connect to external devices with the AUX jack was also a huge hit. We could play along with their favorite songs seamlessly. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. The foot pedals, while functional, didn't provide the same tactile feedback as acoustic pedals, which can be a bit of a letdown for kids wanting a more realistic experience. Additionally, the silicone pads, while responsive, can feel a bit too soft for some players, potentially affecting playability for those who are used to traditional drums. Despite these issues, the value for money is exceptional, and my child loved every minute of playing. Overall, the Espoet 9 Pads electronic drum set is perfect for kids looking to learn and have fun with music. It offers a great introduction to drumming without breaking the bank. If you want to encourage your child's musical interests and provide a fun, interactive way to learn rhythm, this drum set is a fantastic choice. Product number 5. Ecomond 9 Pads Drum Set. The Ecomond 9 Pads electronic drum set is another fantastic choice for young drummers. Unboxing it was a delight, and I was impressed with the colorful design and easy setup. The roll-up feature is particularly valuable for families who want a portable option without sacrificing functionality. Kids can easily store it away or take it on the go, making it a versatile drum kit for all occasions. This set boasts 9 pads, including essential drum components, and it provides 7 timbres and 10 demo songs, allowing kids to explore different musical styles. The built-in stereo speakers deliver quality sound, and the headphone jack lets your child practice quietly. The recording function is an exciting addition that encourages creativity and helps kids develop their musical skills. My child loved showcasing their unique beats to the family, and it was a joy to see their confidence grow. On the flip side, while the Ecomond drum set is user-friendly, the build quality may not withstand rough handling over time. The silicone pads are fun, but can be a bit too soft for more vigorous playing styles. Additionally, the 10-hour playtime is great, but the lack of an included adapter means you'll need to invest in one for continuous use. In summary, the Ecomond 9 Pads electronic drum set is an excellent option for kids who are interested in exploring music. It combines fun and functionality, encouraging creativity in a compact design. If you're looking for a gift that will inspire your child's musical journey, this drum set is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, these top 5 portable electronic drum sets for kids offer a range of features and prices to fit any budding musician's needs. Each set has its pros and cons, but all are designed to inspire creativity and make learning music fun. Choose one that resonates with your child and watch their musical journey unfold.